Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I use this snow globe metal die to make nice gift package. Here is this die set, include snow globe frame and deck parts. Many people know in our online shop we sell this die set together with half ball domes like these ones. It's half ball and clear, and the material is hard. It's not soft blister, it's hard blister. Let's see the size. We can see the total size of this half ball is 9 cm. That is 3.5 inches. And the inner size of the ball is 8 cm. That is 3 inches and a quarter. So the sticky margin is a half cm. This size is perfect for many gift package. Thousands and thousands of people buy this blister from us. They are very popular. Okay, let's get started. First, I cut this frame. We can see this handle. This handle is for tearing on the background and take out gifts. Like in this way, we don't need to open the dome, but we can open on background. We can see the embossed patterns on the paper. Actually, I used this embossing folder. It's very beautiful for Christmas with the stars and the words Merry Christmas. And I cut this circle with Christmas house paper. It's very cute. And these two circles together, I get a circle ring. This circle ring is carved on the dome to decorate. All prepared, now we can start. Stick them together. Let's try with the dome. It's very cute, right? I use some Christmas stickers, tiny penguins, snowflakes, and beads. Very lovely stickers. Now let's start to pack the gifts. I use some macarons. They are toys, they are not for eat. Cover the dome. Okay, let's make sticking. A circle tape. Just carved on it. It's very easy. Very cute, right? Very nice. And then we carve this green. It's really very easy and fast to make a Christmas gift with this dome and the snow globe. Very nice Christmas gift. The paper is cute, and the shakers and the macarons, they are both so cute. I use green thread to do extra decoration. Wrap on the neck and make a tie. See the back? We can open here and take out the gift on the back. It's really very quick and easy to make such a gift, but it's very beautiful, right? Let's make the next one. A red snow globe. First, let's glue. Set them together. I plan to make a scented candle. Try with the dome is perfect size, but I think This dome can contain 4 candles, but I have only 2 on hand. Use narrow tape for margins. Curve and stick, sort and make tight. A package almost ready. So fast and so beautiful. With thread for decoration. With white, golden and green color thread. Sort and tie. Oh, I love this one. So interesting, right? So let's do the next. It's a blue one. I also use embossed folder to get these embossed patterns. The blue snow globe with snowing paper is also very impressive. Glue and stick them together. Try with the dome. Narrow tape for stick margin. I will use these door covers. Also, we can use our family photo to make a photo snow globe. It's very amazing. Stick the doors. They're Christmas style, so it's also very cute. Very cute. Cover the dome, but before cover dome, I put the golden stickers. I forgot to film this part. Very sorry, but we can see the stickers are very beautiful with circles and stars. Very shiny, bling bling. It will be very sweet if there's a family photo inside, I believe. Okay, let's move on, and for next one, the back snow globe with embossed pattern and a very pretty circle with snowflake border. The size is very perfect for the snow globe. Stick them together. Stick in the center. And the sentence that it is snow with faked out blue. The same stick. It's very cute with the snowflakes. Very nice. This time I will make a normal card. So I use a card base. The white base is very clean color. Okay, let's stick them together with foam tape. Okay, stick. Very beautiful. I love it. And then I will use another base, and the white base, the size a little bigger. Okay, I got the same blue as Let It Snow sentiment. I missed filming this part video. I used this auto ink to paint just the upper layers. Looks very nice, color light. Stick them together. Nice card for Christmas. Let's add a banner here. Here's a Christmas tag. Stick on the bottom of the snow globe. Okay, the card is complete. It turned out very nice, but quickly making, right? Well, it was really fun craft time. Thanks for joining. Hope you loved today's tutorial. See you next time.